Yun. Go. Expander.
Yun yun, di ba?
Left them here, I could have sworn that these are my salad days. Maybe you turn them away. Just another play for today. Oh, but I'm proud of you, but I'm proud of you. Nothing left to make me feel small. Luck has left me standing so tall. Always believe in your soul. You got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it. You are good. Glad that you're bound to return. Something I could have learned. I could have learned. You're indestructible.
9 o'clock na po.
Always believe
Para tipid.
it.
Paisa-isa lang.
Dun, 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 dun.
Bukas na kayo mag-ano.
Dun, dun, dun,
Todo.
dun,
All out.
dun.
All out.
Isang ring out.
Pati mga telepono.
Puta.
Sige,
Isa
ma-
sa signal eh.
Punitin ng
Sumaya eh.
instead, punitin ng sedo
Dito
lang.
lang, may
Sunugin
bababa
na
mo.
ng
Sa atin,
Sige,
punin
isang
na
ring
ng
out.
cellphone.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ah, sunugin na cellphone.
Ayaw din naman mga
Minor, ha?
teleponera.
After the rush has gone,
Grabe nung ginalaw mo lang.
hope you find a little
Last na naman.
more.
Lahat ng ginagalaw ni Ken pare nagbabaga.
With authors in rhyme. It's only 2 years ago.
Pagkapaparinig na ganun, baga na eh. Ready na agad eh.
You knew that he was there on the case.
Takip nito.
Now
Kinuha mo?
he's in love.
Eh no, sarap mo.
He's in love.
Hindi, yung ano.
Nandun na, pinanggatong na kanina.
Sunod mo na to. D minor, E. Susunod mo to kasi ito
Taas
yung
mo.
minor, naging G.
Teka
eh.
lang.
So,
Akin yan.
sunod mo. Nandito ka na. Same lang naman eh.
Kaagulo